Welcome to my channel Break the Snow. White hair or grey hair is nowadays common in most people even at young age. This is due to several reasons like genetics, stress, vitamins, chemicals and other factors. In this video I am going to talk about the best natural remedy that can help in treating white hair and prevent premature graying of hair. Number 1. Henna Bhringraj Hair Pack. For this, we need henna powder, Bhringraj powder, coffee powder. Any brand of coffee powder should work. Let's look at the procedure. Add a glass of water to bowl and bring it to boil. Add half tablespoon of coffee powder and continue to boil. Once it is boiled, keep it aside and let it cool down. Add 5 spoons of henna into a separate bowl. Add 2 spoons of Bhringraj powder. Now add black coffee to this mixture. Mix it up into a thick paste. Apply this paste all over the hair, wait for 1 hour and wash it off with shampoo. Number 2. Herbal oil for grey hair. For this, we need curry leaves, cold pressed coconut oil, sesame oil. Now let's look at the procedure. Cut the curry leaves into smaller pieces as shown. Add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil into a bowl and keep it on low flame. Add a quarter cup of coconut oil. Add curry leaf to this oil. Keep boiling on low flame. Once the curry leaves are completely dried, you can see oil turns yellow color. Filter just the oil into a bowl. Apply this oil to hair and leave it for 1 hour or more before washing. You can also use it overnight. Number 3. Lemon emulsion. For this, we need 1 lemon, cold pressed coconut oil. Cut the lemon into 2 halves. Squeeze 1 half into a bowl. In a separate bowl, take 1 spoon of coconut oil. Add 1 spoon of lemon juice. Mix the contents thoroughly until it forms emulsion. Massage this oil on scalp, wait for 1 hour and wash it off. Number 4. Hibiscus paste. For this, we need hibiscus powder. Hibiscus controls graying of hair. Bhringraj powder. It promotes naturally black hair. Sesame oil. It prevents premature hair graying. Curd or plain yogurt for smooth hair. Take 1 spoon of hibiscus powder. Add 1 spoon of Bhringraj powder. Add 1 spoon of sesame oil. Add 1 spoon of yogurt. Mix it well until it becomes a thick paste. Apply this paste on the hair. Wait for 1 hour and wash it off. Number 5. Curry leaves hair pack. For this we need curry leaves, curd or plain yogurt. Procedure. To a cup of curry leaves, add 2 spoons of curd. Grind this into a fine paste in a mixer. Now apply this paste all over the hair. Leave it for 30 minutes or more and wash it off.